Hello everyone, my name is Erin Correa. I found this website to create an introduction about me and I thought it would be interesting. And I actually found it on Google. It's called Post on My Wall, so I created a little collage of pictures about me. And I apologize in advance, but for some reason when I saved it, it just did video because of my boomerang right here, so I'm just doing it in the layout of the website. So I recently graduated from Mount St. Mary College in Newburgh last year, and I was a elementary and special education major with a concentration in information technology for education, and that made me realize my passion and love for technology and incorporating in classrooms. So that brought me here, and my main goal is to be an educational technology specialist by the time I get out of Oneonta, and that's why I have this right here to show that students now are 21st century learners, so we need to become 21st century learners and be familiar with new applications that can be used within the classroom. My time at Mount St. Mary, I actually worked at a bridal shop. It's called Lady Grey Bridal in Beacon, and I was a bridal consultant. And this picture, well, video right here is a video of me at a show, and my boss let me dress up and they did my makeup, and it just was an awesome time. Working at the bridal salon definitely built up my confidence and a lot more things when I was working there at the time. Over here is a picture of 3 people that are standing with me. The one in the middle, right here, Al Man, he is 92 years old, and last year he graduated and walked with me and my friend right here. But the only problem was last year he was struggling with a computer literacy class and he could not pass it. So my professors asked me and my fellow colleague to help him throughout the semester to get to pass it and walk, and it just was a very humbling experience. He is now actually going back for his master's, which is absolutely crazy, but 93, hey, he wants to live his life, so I thought that was a great experience with him, and he definitely taught me a lot. I have a passion for sports. I am a big softball player. I actually coach my own team. That's a picture right here. And I do a travel team. It's 14 and under. And on Fridays and the weekends mostly consumes my time. And I also love watching baseball or football. My dad grew up in Boston, so I'm a very big Red Sox fan. I'm a Patriots fan. Hopefully they make the Super Bowl, but I'm not promising anything. Hopefully they do. You could see there's another picture of me playing softball with my friends. And like I said, I'm from Beacon. That's a beautiful picture of Beacon. It's a little upstate from New York. Not totally upstate, but it is a little upstate from New York. I also used to play volleyball in high school, and I still enjoy playing it on my downtime. I currently work at Frank G. Lindsay. It's in the Hendrick Hudson area. It's about 30 minutes away from Beacon, and I'm a permanent substitute there. I work with grades K through 5, so I definitely get my experiences in there. And I'm hoping next year either I can be a technology teacher or I can be a special ed or general ed teacher in elementary school. I really look forward to learning more in this class and creating new friendships, and if you have any questions, feel free to message me. Thank you so much.